We are off to a very nice start this morning. Not really seeing too much cloud cover, mostly sunny, but also dry here on radar over the past 6 hours. Radar not picking up on any rain falling here in the Delta or really across the entire southeast. Everybody off to another dry start to the morning. Temperatures right now across the area, we're seeing those range from the mid 50s to lower 60s. It's 54 right now in Batesville, 57 in Clarksdale, and right here in Greenville. 60 over in Greenwood, 59 in Vicksburg, and 56 for the current temperature in Jackson. Right here on our Futurecast view, Futurecast not bringing in any rain for the rest of the morning, so we will continue to keep the dry conditions around with us for the morning. And same story can be said for the afternoon. As we go on into the afternoon, these dry conditions will remain in place. We are starting to see this cold front, though, that is back west of the river. That's going to continue to work its way off on this southerly and easterly track, and as it does, that's what's going to bring us the round of storms late Wednesday night. Before that gets here, though, we could see some isolated showers and thunderstorms develop out ahead of that main line. So this is at noon right here on Futurecast. A lot of areas will stay dry. In fact, most areas will stay dry, but there is still that chance for some isolated activity to develop ahead of this cold front. Then as we go on into the later part of the afternoon, still I think a lot of areas will be staying dry, but we still could see a lot of isolated shower activity develop ahead of that front for later on in this afternoon. So with everybody out trick-or-treating later on tonight, I think a lot of areas should still be dry by about 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. But then as we start to go just a little bit later and get closer to the night, that's when that rain chance and thunderstorm chance will be on the increase. So that cold front right here on Futurecast is looking like it should be making its way over the river around 10 o'clock tonight. Could still see some heavier activity, though, a little bit further south and out ahead of the system. This activity will continue to push on the track, and as it does, that's where the heavier rain is also going to be going. So by 1 o'clock Thursday morning, very early, some of that heavier activity kind of lined up down to Greenwood and to Rolling Fork, getting closer to Interstate 55. And then for the rest of the morning hours, that system continuing to push off to the east. That's going to be taking the rain with it, but we still could see a few showers behind that main line. So the worst of the activity will be coming in from about 9 o'clock tonight, 10 o'clock tonight, on into early Thursday morning, and should be weakening a lot as we go on into the later part of the morning and the earlier part of the afternoon. But in advance of the system, the Storm Prediction Center's outlook is showing us in a marginal risk and in a slight risk. So our more northern and eastern areas, that's everybody in the dark green color. That is a marginal risk for severe weather. That's a 1 out of 5 on the Storm Prediction Center scale. And then the yellow area, that's a 2 out of 5, and that's a slight risk. But anybody in any of these colors, which is our entire viewing area, anybody is looking at the possibility for some strong damaging wind gusts. Also, flash flooding is going to be a possibility. We could see between 1 to 3 inches of rainfall as this cold front moves through. And as of right now, a chance for 1 or 2 tornadoes still cannot entirely be ruled out for very late Wednesday night and very early Thursday morning. For today, though, not going to have to deal with any of that. We're going to see a very nice day today, staying dry and mostly sunny. Also warm, upper 70s by noon, 82 at 2 o'clock, 83 for the high temperature today by 4 o'clock. Dropping down just a little bit as we go on into the earlier part of the evening. Should be down to 78 by 6, 72 at 8 o'clock, and 68 for your temperature at 10 o'clock. Also, we will see the cloud cover begin to increase just a little bit as we go on into the overnight hours. That's going to leave us with partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the mid-60s, and dry conditions. Then for tomorrow, 81 for the high, so still being able to stay warm, mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms, though, very likely late tomorrow night on into early Thursday morning. And that's what we're showing right here on our 7-day forecast. Thursday, that 40% chance for some showers and thunderstorms. Friday, about a 20% chance for some isolated showers and thunderstorms still, but temperatures dropping down quite a bit behind that cold front. 64 for the high on Thursday, 65 on Friday. As of right now, Saturday, we should be drying out and clearing out. Sunny skies, 64, but that rain chance for Sunday will be increased again, about a 30% chance for some isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms on Sunday.